Hello. How is everyone? Friday, finally. Finally, Friday. After a long week. Let me just adjust this a little bit. Yeah, I think it's okay. Yes. It's almost done with July. No more memes about July. That's sad. But it's August, what is coming. Give me a second, I needed to copy my tweet, but I can't really see it. Why is that? Why I can't see my tweet? It is hidden. No, it's here. Yeah. Just let me send this to Discord. Oh, Discord was close. Hey! How is everything, Fernando? What are your plans for Friday, for the weekend? Okay, let me just set this. Great. And then let me just some more stuff. Let me say more stuff. I got the finally. I got the new, not the new, but I got the Starlink antenna. So I'm not sure if I can install that. I think I missed it. Hey, hola. Gracias. No, está bien. Igual acá estamos haciendo mucho Spanglish. La idea es que sea inglés first. Les preguntaba que cómo va el viernes, que por fin viernes. La idea es practicar inglés. O sea, nos estamos moviendo a hablar inglés, pero obviamente las preguntas en español siempre bienvenidas. Ferado. Hello. Entonces sí. Es lo que... Parece mando águila. Cierto. Pero no. Es una Northlands Gould. Que como les decía, no tengo ni idea qué significa, pero es lo que hay. Sabe como águila, quizás. Bueno, no estoy muy seguro. Ya la verdad no me acuerdo a qué sabe la cerveza colombiana, si les soy honesto. ¿Ustedes se acuerdan de pronto de la Pilsen? Sí me acuerdo mucho del sabor, porque es un sabor bien peculiar. Pero lo que yo tomaba era más que todo como Club Colombia o Corona. Me gustaba también la Tres Cordilleras. Sí era más bien malito para tomar como cerveza como regular. Pues así como de... O sea, la Club Colombia y las Tres Cordilleras igual es como de fábrica, pero obviamente no era como tan mainstream. Y no era porque, oh, qué fancy, doesn't drink like the cheap beer. No, it's just the flavor. I'm more into dark beers, stout. So Club Colombia has a black version. It was darker. Yes, I think it was darker than usual. And Tres Cordilleras, they also have a dark beer version. Sadriel, hola, saludos desde México. Una pregunta, ¿qué recomiendas usar para el manejo de estado global en Next.js? ¿Necesitas un manejo de estado global? Si necesitas un manejo de estado global, puedes usar sustand, con Z, sustand, así. Sustand. ¿Ves? Pero eso solo para casos específicos, casos especiales. Si es para manejo de estado, recomiendo usar React Query. Is what we're using here. So, it's okay. Ron Antoqueño, Ney. No, yo después no fui capaz de... No era capaz de ver ron o aguardiente, pues uno se lo tomaba porque sí. Pero yo era más de otras cositas. Creo que el último que estaba tomando era... Ya no me acuerdo, tuve épocas. Tuve la época del whisky, tuve la época del vodka. Lo último que tomaba sinceramente era o tequila o Fernet en Colombia. Hey, thanks for the stretching. Stretch. ¿Te ha pasado que alguien habla muy rápido el inglés que no entiendes nada? Siento que los nativos hablan rápido. Sí, pero no me pasa, o sea, no es algo común en mi día a día ya. También es verdad que a medida que vas aprendiendo inglés te acostumbras más a los acentos nativos, a que si hablan rápido, no me ha vuelto a pasar. O sea, si realmente me pasa es porque la persona de verdad dijo algo muy rápido y lo dijo enredado, ¿ves? Entonces uno le dice como sorry y te vuelve a repetir. Y si ya la segunda vez no le entiendo, le digo como no, I can't really understand you. Pero casi siempre creo que no es un tema de que... O sea, no es un tema que no entiendo porque no entiendo el inglés, sino porque no entiendo la idea, ¿ves? Sí, es de acostumbrarse. Yeah, for instance, when I used to work for OutZero, I have this manager that, well, it was a product manager, a product owner. Well, it was a manager, and he is from Australia, and their accent in Australia is very different. It's like a British, but worse. Oh man, it was super hard to speak English with him like the first day, but the second day it was good. You were mentally prepared to understand everything from him. And that's curious. Like usually when you get to a place, you need kind of get the accent, and it takes time to start like getting to the accent. So fortunately, I had colleagues from different places of the world. So even you know, sometimes says that Indian people has a strong accent. That's true in some cases. I know a lot of Indians that have a really good English. It's not all of them that have this kind of, you know, a strong accent. Even, you know, which English is very hard? Ukrainian English. Oh man, that's very hard. Well, Nerdot, yo también venía a mejorar mi listening, pero me quedé por la calidad del código que pica. Gracias, Bernardo. 2 días seguidos, parcero, escuchando para mejorar mi listening. Yes, that's true. By the way, can you see subtitles? Let's try this. In theory, I mean, of course you can listen. That's cool. But let me try this. I have this subtitles package, but I think I need to... Oh, let's see if it doesn't get messy. Let me see if I can hear myself. I guess you are going to hear myself. Oh yes, so the subtitles are there, but I guess there is no configuration yet. What else? Settings. Maybe what it says visible. Yeah, you see like a widget, right? On the screen, probably, but it's like not working, right? Or maybe. See shit. Hi, okay. Let me see. String closed captioner. Yes, it's there. Add to my channel. It's already here. So what do I need to do? Maybe I need to go to the page. I think it's how it works. I need to go. I have seen this on. Oh yes. So if I go to the dashboard. See, yes, I'm done. Just trying to set up the subtitles. My bad. Just a second, and then I think I need to do this. Oh my god, something happened. Oh my god. No. Stop it. No. I'm lagging. Probably. No, wait. You know what happened? Oh yeah. No, I'm free. Okay. Wait. Okay, yes. You can. Yes. No, cancel here. Nay. I want to... Please let me know if the sound is like worse. Right? Scarlet. Let's try this. Hopefully. Oh, that's very cool. I can see the subtitles. Can you see the subtitles in the streaming? Oh, so this is pretty interesting. I just want to see the subtitles on the streaming. You need to activate it, I guess. I mean, the subtitles are activated. And okay. Yes, they are there. Oh, nice. Okay, and let me listen myself. Ah, no. You hear double, right? Let me just yeah. Now yes, yeah, sorry, I really wanted to do this. I guess is bit help. You can translate it, but you need to pay like bits and stuff, so it's of course like you will decide, but it's good like to, I mean, of course there is one thing with the subtitles, and because my accent is not native, I can see the subtitles. So if you go to the streaming, there is like this CC icon. I think you can click and activate it, or maybe you need to refresh, maybe, and that's my bad, I don't know. So, Pipe Codes, ¿conoces casos de gente que haya migrado a EU, a empresas de desarrollo sin manejar inglés? Sin manejar inglés, no, nay. I don't think that's possible. To be honest, there is no way. If you want to relocate, because you will need the English for survive. I mean, and especially even. Usually, I mean, what is good about our profession is that you need just English. And usually in Europe, most of the countries speak English, but not all of them. You know, Sweden is one of the exceptions where they speak a lot of English. I guess we can say like European countries English speaking. There was where can I see this? There was some kind of graphic. With some percentage, maybe this one. I remember a tweet about it, but maybe we want something recent, like okay, European countries English speaking. I saw Wikipedia, English language in Europe. Maybe that's up to date. So one can see subtitles. You can't really see the subtitles, really. And if you refresh, maybe. You just need to activate the plugin. Can you see the plugin? Maybe it's just me crazy. I was able to put the subtitles. And I can see I'm streaming the subtitles. Yes, I can. Nice. Nice. Do you have to refresh? Or you need to click it? Maybe? Yes, I can see it. Great. Nice. Thank you. Thank you. Cricket. It's funny how he translates. Of course, it's not perfect. Wait, it's not perfect, but I think it's a big help. So that's nice. That's nice. Sadly, it's not like recording the streaming because it's really nice. So one thing that you can do for improve your English, for instance, is like record yourself and try to listen yourself, and you will kind of notice your mistakes and your accent and how you know, behave, basically. Refresh don't work. Refresh don't work. Pipe goods. So if you put the mouse over the streaming, you know, over the video, you will see some kind of icon, like an overlay. And there is like this CC icon, string closed captioner. And then there are like some options. And yeah, you can even change like the position if you want a square. What is the square thing? Just like to the side. Oh, that's interesting. I like the horizontal box, but that's like those are your options, right? But yeah, you should be able to see them. It's really helpful. Oh, thank you. Yes, I saw this in another streamer, and I thought, oh, this is a great idea. Okay, this is nice. Now I will have to like put this as part of my workflow. When I open the stream, I also have to enable the subtitles. Hopefully, I won't forget. You know, hopefully. String close captioner. Yes. It's a little bit expensive of subtitles translation. It's like 1,000 bits. That's a lot. Don't do that. I'm using English subtitles for more practice. Yeah, that's good. Also, that's a good technique. If you really want to learn English, you can watch a movie in English with subtitles in English. I really recommend to do that, because then I still watch. I mean, if the movie doesn't have English subtitles, it's fine. I can watch the movie. I might missing 5-10% of the whole thing because, of course, in movies they use different like words or sentences or slang that I don't really understand or I haven't been familiar with. But if I can, I always turn on the subtitles because that helps a lot to recognize new words. And sometimes when the TV show or the movie has, well, one thing that I do is repeat TV shows. So a TV show that I already seen, I can like just put more attention on the dialogues. So in that case, I can like, because I already seen the show, it's okay if I pause, search like the meaning of a word. But what I usually do is like, oh, what did she said? So I just like, you know, go back, turn the Spanish subtitles, and then see what is the translation to have an idea. You know, that's kind of what I do sometimes when I already, what is like my second time, third time with a TV show. Y también transcribe español. O sea, sí puede transcribir español, pero tienes que pagar bits, pero no, lo recomiendo que no lo hagan, porque me parece que es muy costoso. O sea, como que por 1000 bits te dan 1 o 2 días de translation. Y yo no creo que sea buena idea porque, primero, como, o sea, van a haber muchas cosas, como esto es en tiempo real, van a haber muchas cosas que obviamente no va a coger bien, ¿cierto? Entonces el translate va a ser muy raro. O sea, yo creo que no creo que sea tan bueno. Después lo pueden ensayar, pero está bien si miran los subtitles. De hecho, ahorita debe ser re loco porque obviamente estoy hablando en español y debe decir cosas, debe poner subtitles super weird. Yeah, it's like putting the wrong subtitles. You can say, I can see caption now, thanks. Oh, you're welcome, Luis. Nice, yes, good to know. I totally forgot to, you know, to turn on this. I just, you know, realized that I had it from the last time. So, Luis David pregunta, bro, ¿cómo puedo mejorar mi speaking? El listening tengo un buen nivel, pero hablar me cuesta, sobre todo explicar cosas técnicas. Yo creo que una de las mejores formas de mejorar el speaking del inglés es tratar de trabajar con un equipo bilingüe. Es decir, obviamente hacer mucha conversación. Pero ¿qué pasa? Que nos pasa a todos, que nosotros al principio cuando hacemos el speaking pensamos mucho, traducimos en español en nuestras cabezas. Entonces, claro, es como que vamos a media máquina. Pero con la práctica eso se va mejorando. No va a pasar en un día, en una semana, en un mes. Va a pasar cuando tenga que pasar. Lo importante es practicar, aprovechar el proceso. ¿Ven? Entonces, vayan a grupos de conversación, de intercambio. No sé, consíganse amigos que quieran aprender español y ustedes quieran hablar inglés. Contraten una profesora con un grupo de amigos, 5 amigos, diría yo, máximo 5 amigos. Le pagan a alguien nativo que salga con ustedes a tomarse un café y hagan una conversación, 1 o 2 horas. Ya lo decían. Hay muchos de hecho extranjeros que hacen eso. Que se van de mochileros, van a Latinoamérica y viven de dar clases de inglés. Pues ni siquiera dar clases de inglés, tener conversaciones en inglés. Porque obviamente eso le ayuda a las personas que quieren hablar inglés. Y luego cuando puedan, pues contraten un profesor particular. ¿Piensas en español o en inglés? Depende. De hecho, lo que le empieza a pasar a uno es que uno se le empiezan a olvidar las palabras en español. Y no es porque sepas más inglés. Yo tengo un problema de hecho con los garbanzos. Y la mayoría de las veces me acuerdo más de su nombre en inglés que su nombre en español. No sé por qué. Chickpeas. Entonces cuando quiero hablar de garbanzos, siempre pienso primero en chickpeas, por alguna razón. Y es súper raro porque yo los garbanzos los comía en Colombia, ¿cierto? No es como que los conocí acá, para nada. Entonces depende del contexto. La verdad es que llega un punto... Es más, a veces yo veo una película, una serie, o leo algo y yo no tengo ni idea si eso estuvo en español o estuvo en inglés. La verdad no recuerdo. O sea, simplemente como que lo leo y es como que lo entiendo y entonces me da igual en lo que esté, como que yo lo entiendo. Pero eso también se desarrolla con el tiempo. No les voy a decir que... Claro que no piensen en inglés. Eso no es tan fácil. Eso es a medida que la práctica, que hagan la inmersión, es cuando empieza a suceder. The idea is to try to understand. If you can't understand, help yourself with subtitles. Yes, exactly. That's the idea. I mean, subtitles always help to get to know new words. Yeah, to see even like... Sometimes I discover like, oh, this is the way that this word is written. Because you heard the word, but you have never seen it like in paper or in test. So yes, that's hi Annie, how are you? How is everything? Happy Friday. But yeah, okay, I wanted to show you so the level of English in Europe, because there was an interesting question. Someone asked, what if it's possible to work in Europe no speaking English, right? Without speaking English. I mean, it's possible, yes. I guess it's possible, but you need to learn the native language. What I mean is if you go to Germany and you want to work as a developer, at least, and you don't know English, you will have to learn German, right? German. If you go to Italy and you don't know English, at least you will have to learn Italian. And to be honest, and I think that European people can, you know, says the same. If you know English, you will have a better job. Even if you are in Europe, if you know English, you will have a better job. Because usually this industry is very global, and English is the language of the developers, basically. So even people from other, you know, from Spain or from Italy or even Germany, it's like mostly they will speak English because those companies usually hire people around the world. So not everyone knows German, not everyone knows Italian. Not everyone knows Spanish. You know what I mean? So for this profession, you first invest in English, and then you can invest in the native language. So as you can see, like native is only like the... this is strange because it's not this the whole United Kingdom, but for some reason there is no data of the... What the fuck? Okay. So of course, like United Kingdom, they speak native English. I'm glad, Annie, that you are right. And then, as you can see, like the most well-spoken English countries in Europe is like this is Sweden. I know this is Norway. They don't have data, but they speak more English than Sweden. In fact, this is like Dinamarca. I don't know. Denmark in English. And I think this is Netherlands, Países Bajos. And then you have like this. What is this? I don't really remember what it... I think this is Germany, right? This might be Germany. German. Damn. And this is... what is this? France? I'm really bad at geography. And this is Spain, right? And this is Portugal. And this is Italy. And then I don't really remember this. France, yes. And then this is Finland, right? And those countries I'm not sure. I know this is Russia. So it means that Ukraine is... I think this is Ukraine. Probably this is Ukraine. Probably. Because Ukraine is one of the biggest countries in Europe. Probably. But yeah, as you can see, like the Nordic countries, they speak a lot. The Nordic countries are... Denmark, Sweden, Finland, and Norwegian. How do you say it? Norwegian. Is Norwegian? Or that's the airlines? No, that's the airlines. Norway. Sorry, Norway. No. Norway. En español, los países que más hablan inglés en Europa, de hecho, son Suecia, Noruega mucho más. Noruega, Suecia, Finlandia, Dinamarca y Países Bajos, que es Holanda, ¿cierto? Holanda. Como pueden ver. Y esto debe ser Alemania, posiblemente. Y esto debe ser Switzerland, que ellos también deben hablar buen inglés, pero ni idea. Ni idea qué tanto. Yeah, there is a difference. You know, en Spanish es Suiza y Suecia. Miren dónde están. Yo estoy en Suecia, en el norte. Esto es Suiza, acá. But in English, it's easier because in English, it's Sweden and Switzerland. Completely different. In Spanish, it's very confused. A lot of people think that I'm in the Switzerland. La sueca. Yeah, like la Foxy. Piensa que estoy en Switzerland. No, estoy en el norte con los vikingos. ¿Qué tal? ¿Cómo vas? Estás en streaming, ¿no? So yeah, so definitely for this profession you need the English. It's one of the best investments that you can do. So good, baby. How are you? I'm great. You know, Friday. I am hot. I don't know why. I'm really hot. Expected. Yeah, ready for Friday. Ready for Friday, Foxy. I'm super ready for Friday. Am I? What do I have to do this weekend? Well, I know I need to install my new internet. I don't know if that is going to work. Because Starlink, do you know about Starlink, by the way? So today I got my Starlink antenna. No, aerial. How do you say antenna in English? Antenna or aerials? Because aerials is like antenna, pero I don't know. So let me see. Let me show you. You are how when we. Yeah, I know, right? So yes. So this is. Yeah, give me a second. Where am I? Yes, here. So I got my Starlink aerials, right? I guess, or antenna. I don't know. Let me see. Antenna. No, pero no en español, tío. Antenna. Oh yes, it's antenna. So I got this, but I don't have the base. I just have like this part here. So I think I need to. I need to order this part. They have like different options. They have like for the roof or for the pole and I didn't order anything because I wasn't sure how I'm going to install this. Do I have this? Yeah, I mean, like you put it in your roof. I mean, I don't have a fancy roof. In fact, I don't know if I have to ask for permission for my landlord to install this, but I don't care. Oh, interesting. Oh no, I got this. No, now I remember because I checked the package. I got this. So this is like satellite internet. Let's see if it works. It's like high speed. I don't know how much. The thing is, I don't have fiber here because install fiber is like very expensive, and it's not my house. So it's not expensive to buy fiber. It's expensive the installation of fiber. It's like really expensive. It's like 3,000 euros. Or something like that. It's like really expensive. And it's like, what? Or even more. No, I think it's like 3,000 euros just for the installation. And it's like, okay, no. Antenna. It's antenna, but with English accent. Exactly. Antenna. You can use palo de escoba. No, so this house has already an antenna there. I think it's for the TV, but I don't watch TV, so I guess I might do something. I just put a lot of wire, you know, and see how this work. Do they have like easy setup? I don't know for iOS. Oh, I have the app, the Starlink kit. Okay, this is my kit. What is in the box? What is in the box? I pee my pants. But it's true. It's how it's pronounced. Spectre says the one that I like the most is New Zealand, but there is English too and several others. But New Zealand is like no Europe, right? New Zealand is like Australia. What is the continent? New Zealand. Oh, it's Oceania. Oh man, I'm really bad at geography. Really bad. Oceania. Yes. It's an island country. Okay. Because in Sueca don't have cable for the internet access, what is so expensive. So, no, so the thing is like, you can have like different internet options. When I was on downtown, I have a really good internet. I have like 400 download and upload the speed. And that's kind of average, to be honest, in the city, right? But since I moved to outside the city, you have less options. So usually, when you move outside the city, you should have fiber, right? But in order to have fiber, they need to do the installation. Because it's not like fiber just for your house, it's like fiber for the area, and then I guess it's complicated, right? Probably my neighbors, they have fiber. I don't really know. But the thing is, the installation is really expensive because it's like one-time installation and then you pay like the normal service. But this is not my house, so I'm not going to buy fiber. So this is a lesson that I learned. In the future, if I want to move to another house, to a rental house, I should ask if they have fiber. So this house, they have like normal internet, but it's really slow. It's like 10 megabytes or something like that. And that's like the maximum speed that they can offer. And that's the internet of the house. So what I did, I bought like mobile internet, you know, like 4G internet. And that one is a little bit better. It's not that fast. You can see like I don't have my 400 megabits of download and upload. It's decent. The only thing sometimes is very unstable. So far for streaming, it works great. I had problems in the past a little bit. Even the funny thing about this is that sometimes I got like glitch and stuff, but the funny thing about do streaming, you only need like upload speed. So in the past, you have seen me doing streaming without internet, without download internet, right? Download internet, but with upload internet. So the upload internet is pretty bad, but it works. I mean, it's fine. It's what I have. And now I am putting like satellite internet. Satellite internet means it's satellite, you know, the internet satellite. This is like a new technology from Elon Musk. And I just want to try it. It's like they just put this in Sweden. Like they're like, you know, they have a queue in fact. So yeah, look, accessories. Can I check? Oh, these are the mounting options. So these are the other options that I have. So there is like pipe adapter. I might want this one. Yeah, this is probably the thing that I will need in the future. Let's see. Volcano mount. Okay, fancy. Flashing mount. Okay, but no, this is not my roof. I already have a pole, so I will try to. I have that and fiber. What? Starlink and fiber, or mobile internet and fiber? This is the ground pole mount, but of course, probably, I don't know. It depends. It really depends. Cable routing kit. Okay, no idea. Monterey routing kit. What is the difference? What is the difference? Oh, it's larger. Okay, I don't know. And then what is this? Oh, color. Oh, what? Short wall mount. Okay. Long wall mount. Oh, okay. You have walls, but I don't have walls. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe this is going to be my option. Probably. I don't know if I have that much, you know, cable. This is what? Like 43 centímetros. 43 centimeters. And then you have a... No, this is not the long. Oh, no, the long is here. Okay, 22 meters and 45 meters. Okay. Ethernet adapter. I feel I don't have everything, so let's see. Cable routing. Let's see if I can install it like this, you know, this weekend or not. You will know. 4G speed, but with fiber. Ah, okay, I see. Oh, interesting. Why don't you buy a house, or you are not thinking about one in the future? I am thinking about one house, buy a house in the future, but in the future, not yet. I tried to buy a house, but it was crazy. Prices were super high because the pandemic, everyone started to move into houses to the countryside because they realized, oh, I don't have to go to work anymore, so I can move to a bigger space. And you know, it was super crazy, the house prices. Now they are like better, but the money that I have to, you know, to buy the house is already invested, so I can't touch that money in a few years. So that's the reason. And I also decided that, you know, I know in a rush, I don't even know if I'm going to stay in Sweden at the end. Like, I want to have the residency. I want to have a European passport, but probably I will move to Spain. I don't know. This is kind of, you know, after the whole English drama, I will move to Spain. Oh. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, right now this house is really nice. It's super big. It's too big, to be honest. Too big. It's like 1,000 something square meters. Like, not the house. you know, but the area, you know, with the green area, the house is like 100 square meters, and it's a really weird house. The distribution of the rooms is super weird, but also it's really hard to find a house for rental here as well. It's crazy. I don't know how people live in Europe, to be honest. It's like everything is super hard. Like, even we were so lucky when we found the apartment in downtown, you know, especially landlords that allow pets. Can you imagine that? Like, that's what is harder. It's like another level of difficulty, you know, or difficult. Yes, it's like another level of find a rental house or a rental apartment. A landlord that allow pets, especially 2 dogs and 2 cats, you know, that's really hard. Oh, come to England. Haha, Spain is good, but the taxes to pay are crazy. It's for the people who earn a lot of money. They are moving to other places. Yeah, I saw other places where you can have like a lot of kids and you don't have to pay taxes. You know, I don't really remember the place. I can find Estonia or something like that. I don't really know. But oh yes, wait. Maybe. Let me see if I have the link. Name. The problem with England is that I need to find a job. Well, there are a lot of jobs for me there, but I don't really know. Maybe in the future, you don't know. My first goal is to have the European passport, and then I might, you know, move to another country or whatever. I don't really know. And still, I already had paid a lot of taxes here, so I want to enjoy as much as I can the country. No idea what is it. Sorry, but yeah, there was a country when you can just have kids and they will, you know, you don't have to pay taxes. That's crazy. Like you need to have like 3 or 4 kids, something like that. By the way, change the category to your setting. Still, you're starting doing coding software. That's true, but we are going to start very soon, right? How can you change the categories? Damn. I don't have the command, so I have to do it. Oh, but I have it here. We should start coding soon. How? Oh, it's almost an hour talking. No. Don't, let's change the category. We need to start coding soon. What else? What is that for putting that? Yes, exactly. So, Foxy, so I bought this like antenna thing. So those are like the different how you call it? Cositas para poner la antena, like the different options. I think I have the general base. I don't know if I need more, but let's see. I will try to install that this weekend. Probably Sunday. I don't want to do that tomorrow. I want to do it Sunday early. Yeah, but well, Foxy, you speak a lot, you talk a lot, but that's good. That's good. Cositas, yeah, cositas. So, okay, so I guess we are ready. It's like I don't want to code anymore. But I run out of ideas. No, we need to code. We need to fix our things. Yes, little things. We in one of my companies, we have this Slack command. Every time that you write cositas, Slack, the Slack bot, sends a message saying little things for some reason. In Ireland, it is almost impossible to rent an apartment. Yeah, I can imagine. It's like because the whole United Kingdom is like super, like the whole thing, right? The whole thing is United Kingdom, right? I guess that's super hard because you have the el Reino Unido y luego otras cosas. This is even harder in English or Spanish. I don't know. So the whole UK is super like it's small, right? It's very small. So yeah, I guess everything is super expensive. Yeah, that's true. I'm talking a lot. You are reading first the last, then your first comment. Yes, that's that's true because usually that's true because usually I mean, but that's good. It's kind of the skills that you develop over time when you do streaming. I think I'm better than before. When you start, it's like impossible. Like you don't know what to do. To read the comments, to code, or you know, or even your thoughts. I'm that kind of person that just get lost on thoughts and go between branches. So Nor Ireland, and so Ireland. In one of them is using euros, but I don't know which one. Yeah. No idea. Yeah, that's complicated. It's very complicated. You should just be part of the European Union and that's it. But you don't. You don't. You are the worst. And now you have expensive things because no one wants to do business with you. Are you going to visit Estonia? I have seen that it's a little country. I mean, I don't have plans, like early or short-term plans to visit a country, to be honest. Right now I have a lot of stuff to do here, so unless someone calls me for a conference or something, I will do it. I already was on Spain, Girona. It was nice. But yeah, I don't know. Like, I'm not planning like visit any country soon. But I have friends in Germany, in Netherlands, in Spain, but in different places. Spain is so big. So in Madrid, in Barcelona, in Girona, León, Nucliwet. I don't know if you follow him. He's from Girona, and Girona is such a beautiful place. Small town, beautiful place. They record a lot of gay subtrons scenes there. It's really nice. And what else? Switzerland, I have a friend there as well. I think that's it. Of course, Foxy is in England. Not England, but where are you? What is the name of your country or your city? It's England, right? London. No, it's London or England. I'm confused. England. So you are in working visa over there, or so at the moment you can stay there. I have a temporal residency, so it's different. I don't know. It's super. So you can have visas, but I have a residency for 2 years, and I can stay here. So at the 4th year, that means in about 1 year left, I can apply for the permanent residency. But that means that, yeah, you have to work here in order to keep it. So, and then 1 year later, and I can apply for the citizenship. And that's kind of my idea. So I definitely can move. I mean, I definitely can go. I guess I can go to England, right? Because I can't. No, because no, I can't. I guess. Or can I? I don't really know because still my passport is Colombian. So I guess I will have to have a visa or not. I don't really know how does it work. Yeah, England. Blackpool, right? Blackpool. La Piscina Negra. Vive en la Piscina Negra. At the moment, 1 hour from Manchester and Liverpool. Okay. La Piscina Negra y Liverpool es como la piscina de hígado. Liver. ¿Y liver no es hígado? Ah, sí. La Piscina Negra es la piscina de hígado. What the fuck? It was such a weird name. Liverpool, Blackpool, it sounds like soccer teams. That's the only thing I know. Hola, Miguel, ¿cómo estás? Oh, I see. I don't know, as England had the Brexit, so no, I don't know what is going on. Yeah, still, like, even if England were part of the European Union, I still will have a visa because as Colombian, I can enter the Schengen area without visa, and England was never part of the Schengen area, so yeah, it's completely different. Una pregunta. Yeah, I know. Live in the Blackpool, la piscina es una mierda. Una pregunta. ¿Aproximadamente qué cuesta un servicio de crear UI, UX, así como te hicieron a ti el diseño? Si se puede saber. Uf, eso depende, Miguel. Lo que pasa es que eso fue parte de un emprendimiento, entonces realmente nunca costó. Pero ponle que de toda una aplicación hay muchos precios. O sea, te voy a tirar un rango muy abierto porque literal podrías conseguir esos precios. Te podría valer desde $1000 hasta $5000 una interfaz de una aplicación completa, así como de ese estilo. I know there are services. ¿Qué es un UI UX? UI, que de hecho lo copiaste al revés, Foxy. UI es User Interface. UX es User Experience. Entonces, cuando hablamos de User Interface, estamos hablando de lo que vemos. Entonces, cuando, por ejemplo, tú tienes tu aplicación, ¿cierto? Y tú abres WhatsApp y ves los botones y todo eso, eso es User Interface, eso es la interfaz del usuario. Entonces, el diseño de eso lo tienes que pagar o lo tienes que hacer, ¿cierto? Un diseñador web o un diseñador de aplicaciones te lo hace, porque obviamente estamos hablando de aplicación mobile, ¿bien? O si es en la web, ¿cierto? Es el WhatsApp web, alguien lo tendrá que hacer. Lo que pasa es que es un mal ejemplo porque WhatsApp obviamente no es que tenga mucho diseño, pero lo tiene. Pero a lo mejor una aplicación un poco más compleja, no sé, Uber, por ejemplo, que tiene como más pantallas. Entonces, eso es una interfaz de usuario. Ahora bien, el UX, User Experience, ¿ves? Es la experiencia de usuario. Entonces, eso es diferente porque la experiencia de usuario quiere decir que el usuario tenga una buena experiencia con la aplicación. Que la aplicación sea intuitiva, que el usuario no tenga que pensar mucho cómo manejarlo. Un ejemplo, TikTok. Tú no necesitas un tutorial de TikTok para aprender a manejar TikTok. ¿Por qué? Porque TikTok tiene una buena experiencia de usuario. Pero a lo mejor si vas a Microsoft Word o vas a de pronto una aplicación de esas del gobierno bien rara que no sabes dónde presionar, no sabes dónde hacer clic, no sabes cuál es el siguiente paso, eso es una mala experiencia de usuario. Entonces hay diseñadores expertos en experiencia de usuario que lo que hacen más que el diseño, o sea, generalmente te venden ambas cosas, pero hay personas expertas en experiencia de usuario que lo que hacen es como crear esa experiencia de usuario. Entonces van a decir, mira, en la primera pantalla no vas a tener 1000 botones porque nadie va a entender qué hacer. Vas a tener un botón que te va a decir cuál es la acción principal, ¿cierto? Que es hacer un tweet. Bien, y luego las acciones secundarias van a ir representadas de estas maneras y así. Entonces eso es como todo el mundo de UI, UX. Ok, gracias. Pues, qué bien, me puedo crear una aplicación mía. Eso cuando seamos, claro, exacto. Pues tienes que pagar de $1000 a $5000. Igual hay de todos los precios, claramente. O aprendes a diseñar también. Pero como todo, necesitas práctica. I have a personal project and I talk with an UX, but really I wanted to know approach. Yeah, I mean, sometimes, Miguel, they will charge you based on time. And I guess that's fair. So it really depends how big is the project. You can put that price on the hour and he will give you an estimate like, okay, this project will take 50 hours and my hour is $20 or whatever, I don't know. And then you can of course kind of negotiate that. There is this, what is this? Fiverr, I think is this service. Yeah, you can go to Fiverr. I don't know if you know about Fiverr, and you can hire people very cheap that are really talented. This is like a freelance marketplace, and then okay, let's do a logo design, and you will find like different prices. Oh, okay, I need to sign in. I don't have an account here, but Fiverr is like a freelance service for. Usually they have a lot of stuff, but they have like graphic design, marketing, writing and translation, and programming. Oh, okay, yeah. So I have seen YouTube. If you go to YouTube and you search for I pay Fiverr 5 logos, I don't know, maybe I will find something. Yeah, this guy, Will Patterson. So this is a nice video. You can take a look. Like he basically hired 5 different designers and he asked for a logo and he showed the results. So there are some of them are really good. Like this is like $40 or $1000, and you can see the difference sometimes. So it's very interesting. You can find I can send you the channel of this guy. It's good to check that, and the conversation is a nice YouTube channel. Thank you, teacher. You're welcome. También últimamente existe el DX, Development Experience, donde entra mi tema enfocado, brindando una mejor experiencia para desarrolladores. Exacto, Foxy. Entonces, por ejemplo, algo que hacemos en este canal, yo le enseño a programar, realmente. Hay muchos canales y canales de YouTube y streamings que enseñan a programar. Yo le enseño a programar. Aquí nosotros estamos construyendo un producto. Pero yo sí me enfoco como desarrollador a construir una buena experiencia de desarrollo, DX. Y eso también es una carrera, aunque yo no trabajo como DX actualmente, pero sí he tenido experiencia. Como he sido full stack, un desarrollador full stack es un desarrollador que hace de todo. La todera, ¿ves? Entonces, como desarrollador full stack, a veces te toca invertir en diferentes aspectos. Pero digamos que en compañías muy grandes hay un equipo de developer experience. Entonces lo que hace es mejorar la experiencia de desarrollo. Entonces una de las cosas que hacemos acá es tener buena experiencia de desarrollo. Entonces herramientas que le ayudan al desarrollador a desarrollar más cómodamente. Is as well XC that you can control some people that do things I believe. Ah, okay, but I think XC is more about physical things. That's kind of my understanding. Okay, yo soy full stack overflow. Yes. Okay, I think it's a lot of talking and I love it. I really love to talk with you guys, but it's time. It's time. And now I'm tired. And now I don't want to go. No, we need to fix this, and I don't know if we are going to fix it today. I don't know if we are going to stay that much. Let me see. July. Okay, we still have... but I usually don't do streamings on Saturdays. Let's see how it goes. Of course, you can keep the talking. But let's do this. So one thing that I want to do is to fix the test. So the tests, okay, the tests here are good, right? What is this happening? Oh, I changed something. Oh, probably was the... yeah, no? What did I change? Yes, the sorting, you know, the order of the different lines. That's okay. We can like commit that later. Oh, we can commit it into master. I'm a bad boy. I'm going to commit this into master. This is just like style. Change that. Yeah, this is like style. What was that? Just config. Oh shit! I forgot how is just config. It can be just config maybe. Sort just config file. So let's commit this. Everything should be okay. And let's push to master. Can I? Oh, wait. Let's push to master or main. Now it should be, well, still is called master. We should change that to main as well, but we can do that later. I mean, later in the future, not today. Okay, so we have the project already working. That's cool. Like our application is working finally, has all the dependencies upgraded. But now we need to fix the test and other stuff. I need to check that everything is okay. Can I ask something? Of course, Foxy, you can ask whatever you want, and it doesn't need to be related to coding. Por cierto, Guillermo, ayer lancé una actualización de enfocado para aplicar el feedback que me regalaste. Okay, let's change it. It's fine. How is it? No, wait. The way that I can change it, team enfocado. Oh, I like this. So you can like kind of check nature, neon me gusta. I like neon team. Oh, it's different. Why is different? Why is blue? Oh, maybe it's because the file, probably. Yeah, okay, yeah, it's fine. But I need to apply the whole experience. How long it takes to apply the whole experience? Okay, so let me fix the test, and after the test, we can take a look about apply the full experience, okay? So, okay, we have 20, 23, yes, no. Foxy is still like writing his question. Her question. Yeah, her question. So, okay, let me move. So, this is kind of a general error, like cannot find module storybook testing React. And I wonder why. Because I don't have a storybook here. I really wonder why. Why? Oh, wait. Oh, no, wait. Sorry. I just like, I'm trying. I think I kind of know what. No, why? Like, what? Storybook testing React. Why? It's because it's trying to render this. Oh, wait. No, testing library. I don't really know why. What is happening, man? I mean, that's the mystery that we need to know. Yes, it's relative. Of course, thank you. Is relative to the coding. So after you finish with the coding, what's happening? I mean, there is something or what is going on. Have you seen this application, Foxy? Maybe you haven't, right? So I don't have this. This is not production ready. So usually you develop the application in your computer, right? But you need to deploy it into the internet, right? So that's what it happens. But this application is not ready to production. So for instance, what does Facebook? Their developers, they develop Facebook like in their computers as me, and then they deploy the changes into production. So like they ship it. We call it ship it, but it's like into internet. So that's what it should happen. So this is like my current application. Which application? I have it in my computer. I have a no, this one. I have this error, but that's okay. So this is the application that we are developing. So let me finalizar la sesión. So this is reto. I mean, you have dark mode or web mode. So basically, what is reto? This thing. So this is like you will enter like a website. Okay, this is a web application. As you go into Gmail or Facebook or Instagram in the web, because it's in the web, not the mobile application. Those are similar but different, right? So this will have a domain, right? Like let's say reto.com. Currently we don't have any domain at all, right? Because we haven't released this application. So you will enter here, Foxy, to this application when it's released. And wait, we need to log out. So you will enter to this application. It's called Reto. It's a productivity app. So it means that it's for, you want to do or you want to be very productive today. So you have some tasks or some chores that you want to do. So Reto will help you with that. So you go to Reto. And so the first thing that you need to do is to log in, right? Currently, in fact, because this is in reality, this is going to be like, it's not going to be like a real application. It's kind of a educative app. Es como una aplicación real, pero con fines educativos, ¿ves? So you are making this inside one website. Yes. This is web-based. This is the same way that you create websites, for instance, like the same way that you will create guillermorodas.com, let's say. It's a different technology, but it's the same approach, like this. But this is like release. I don't really have, like, if you go to, I don't have, this is not like an application, but this is like the documentation of the different components. So this for instance, this is release. This is the other project that we normally use. So you can go there. I just send it. So you click it, you will see this. So these are the buttons. This is the documentation. Look, those are the buttons. Those are the, let's say the cards, like the different things. These are like the different things that I use, like drop down, what else? The task. Like this is how the task, the different states of the task. This is documentation, but this is like this is more like a website for documentation, but this is release. But this one, no. So you go here, and the login modes are going to be Twitch or GitHub. GitHub is a service for developers. I don't want to explain that for you now because it's too much. But so you go, so here I'm going to log in with using my GitHub account. So it's like your Twitch account, your Twitter account, or whatever. It's like a social login, whatever. So now that I logged in, it says, hola Guillermo Rodas. By the way, this is in Spanish still, but that's okay. Conoce la metodología reto. I don't know if there is a home, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, this is going to be like the home. And by the way, this is like the desktop, but in mobile, because this is going to work if you open in your mobile, in Chrome, in Google Chrome, right? It's going to look like this, right? So I prefer this view because this is more into mobile, kind of, right? So it's like, oh, okay, ignore this first part, but inicia una sección de productividad. So you click here, and those are like all tasks that you didn't finish, right? So you are so lazy that you didn't finish. Then, so we are doing this one. So let me see. So you can like add different tasks. So for instance, we are going to learn about coding with, this is like my priority task, with La Foxy TV. So yeah, add it. So it's the first one because it has the most priority. So you can organize your day. So I'm just going to, I don't know, to organize my stream setup, buy the groceries, send that email, whatever. You put like different tasks and you give it priority. That's why you can like sort them out, right? Sort them out. I think that makes sense. Sort them out. Sí, organizarlas. And then you start your section of productivity. And you have the counter. Because the idea with this is like you will track your whole activity, right? Like how long it took, like each different task. So you can see like where you're spending most of the time in your productivity session, whatever. And the idea is like when you finish to explain like here, okay, we are going to learn about coding with La Foxy. So I am done. So you click done. And because you finish your task, you have a recompensa. How do you say recompensa? A prize, right? So you can take a break. You can take 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or 15 minutes. So, okay, let's say 5 minutes. And you just relax. And after 5 minutes, you continue with your other task. And this is based on a technique called Pomodoro. Okay, this is like Reto, the app that we are doing, combines like different methodologies. So Pomodoro, I don't know if you know the Pomodoro. Yes, related to the Pomodoro timer. It's like Pomodoro is more strict. Pomodoro says you are going to do 25 minutes or a task. You take 5 minutes break, then you take another 25 minutes, 5 minutes break, another 25 minutes, and 5 minutes break, and then you type 15 minutes. It's kind of a way to focus and avoid procrastination, basically. So it's a technique, and you focus for 25 minutes, 0 interruptions, 0 cell phone, 0 everything. Cero, escúchame, 0 everything, right? But you have 5 minutes or fun, you know? So it's kind of the thing. So your day is basically in Pomodoros. But this is kind of what it's based on. But this is more liberal. And then, yeah, this is like my productivity. I can pause. So that's what we are doing right now. And you have reports, but this is not done. And then when you finish your session, you will, you know, just have a register of how do you feel about your day. If you were happy, stressed, you put like some notes, like, oh, you know, that will help you to kind of see your mood over the time. And kind of correlate if, oh, maybe I wasn't that productive because I was very sad or whatever, right? So that's kind of the idea behind. But this take a lot of time because we are doing this in streaming, teaching people how to build a product. We are doing it in a fancy way. Because in real life, if you have to develop this, in real life we did this. We did this already en un emprendimiento, no quiero decir entrepreneurship, because me enredo. Le hicimos y de hecho yo no la programé, pero yo hacía parte del proyecto y la hicimos como en 2 semanas en aplicación mobile. Solo que recibimos un montón de feedback y bueno, este es el diseño de ese feedback. Pero en ese momento estábamos trabajando en otro proyecto, que era el otro que veías acá al principio, que era el de los coworkings, y decidimos solo enfocarnos en ese proyecto. Llegó la pandemia, nos cagó todo, y yo ya me salí a emprender, pues. Yo ahorita estoy en otras cosas. Emprendimiento, ¿no sería startup? No, because what I was telling to say es emprendimiento, pero de el acto de emprender. Entrepreneurship, I think is like the proper way. We can like... I have this entrepreneurship. Damn, it's super hard to write, by the way. Entrepreneurship. I think it's written really wrong, but my translate tool is really nice. Because it's a French word, you know that? Entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship. Ok. En la web. Aquí. Sí, ese es mi avatar. Ese es mi avatar como oficial. Esta es una camisa. ¿Cómo se llama esto? Que son como esas camisas como... ¿Cómo explicarlo? Como abierticas. Eso tiene un nombre. No es una camisa, no es una camiseta. Bueno, es algo. De un grupo que me gusta mucho que se llama Ganja White Night. Okay, so what else? Relax is nice. Okay, thanks for the explanation, Sexy. Of course, you're welcome. Nuevo tema de For Long with the theme. Yeah, Miguel. So this theme here is from someone that is in the chat here. So we are like testing the theme. There is like this. Yes, now I can see that I have changes here, right? This is, or is because this is failing. Well, I'm not sure. We'll see soon. So the tests are failing and I don't have any idea why, to be honest. So let's solve the mystery. Let's solve the mystery. Why this is, I mean, this is very crazy. Empty, for instance, empty. Why empty is like failing? Empty is empty. I mean, this doesn't make sense. Any sense. I mean, import. Oh, I know why. For some reason, what? For some reason, Jess is not ignoring my library. Oh, and I think we had a config for that, right? Like test match, maybe? Oh, transfer ignore parents. Oh, okay, yes. So for some reason, wait. I guess it's this, maybe? Yeah, I guess that's it, right? Probably it's this thing. So it's trying to run the... What is transfer ignore patterns? We need to Google this, because I don't really remember that. Chaqueta, no, es un jersey. Un jersey se llama eso. Un jersey. Jersey, creo. ¿No? ¿O es un lugar? ¿No es un jersey? ¿O cómo se copia? Podríamos ir a la tienda oficial a ver ellos cómo le llaman. Ganja, Wine Night Store. The Official Merch, si todavía lo venden, a ver. Esto es un... Sí, es un jersey. Un jersey, que es así abiertico. A ver qué tal este. Nah, este no me gusta. Y no es reversible. El mío es reversible. ¿Dónde está el reversible, el mío, el que yo tengo? A ver, veamos todo. Now we are este es reversible. Es bien. O sea, es así. Es bien decente, digámoslo. Así. Pero también es así. Para la fiesta, para los viernes. Para los viernes más tardecito, es así. Es lindo. Pero da bastante calor. Bastante calor. Y es de buena calidad. Obviamente porque es reversible, es muy grueso. Okay, so configuring yes. Let's check this because to be honest, I don't really remember what does it mean. And we need to... this is my suspicious. Like, okay. So, default node modules, right? Yes. Oh, okay. An array of pattern strings that are matched against all source file paths before transformation. If the file path match any of the patterns, it will not be transformed. But what does it mean transform? Find the regist pattern that overlap with the main result in files not being transformed that you expect it to be transformed. For example, the first pattern will match the four fill inside node module, except for those that are in node modules full. Okay. Yes. And node modules bar. Okay, these are regex. Drink some water. Yes. I mean, I don't have water, I have beer, and I need to stretch again. Right? Yeah, Miguel, Wellner.exe es quien hizo este tema, se llama Enfocado. Y de hecho tiene una especie como de filosofía. This VS Code thing has a philosophy about be focused, I guess. That's my guess. And we will test it after if we somehow fix the test, because this problem is super weird. I don't really know how to fix it. What is the name to test to? Oh yes, Enfocado. Enfocado. I get. Do you have it, Miguel? Bonito. Hello. Hey, Juanjo. How are you? Sorry the delay. I'm still getting used to the new schedule. Yeah, I know. It's fine. You will get used to. Don't worry. Enfocado is yes, you have it there. Perfect. I love it. Okay. Okay. I was reading this. So what is the problem? The second pattern will match and therefore not transform files inside any path of bar. In it, with the two together, files in bar will not be transformed because it does match the second pattern. Okay, so you need to take care with whatever regex you put, because this one can just like overlap this and it's not going to work. But what is transforming no params? No modules, it feels like things that you don't want to match. Transform, what is transform? Transform, okay, so you have transform in our parents, you have transform. A match from regular expression to paths to transform it. What is a transform? Just runs the code of your project as JavaScript. Hints, a transformer is needed if you have something that's not supported by Node out of the box. Such, okay. Okay, by default, Jest will use bubble Jest to transform. Okay, yo creo que lo que pasa es, what is happening is that, remember that this project, we are not like transforming this in the project, right? We are letting the host project to transform it, and I guess that's kind of the problem, probably. But it's weird because why with the test? And in theory, this should be okay. What is this saying? In fact, is like done everything, but not this, right? Sometimes happy release special native or TypeScript transferring our parents that third-party modules are published as a transpile code. Yes. Since all files inside no module are not transformed by default, Just will not understand the code of these modules, resulting in a syntax error. Okay, right. Transform in our parents. Okay. It's for me it's so hard that it's in the other way around, like transform ignore to allow transpilate such modules. Okay. But the first file will match and not transform. But this is what we're doing here, like don't transform it. Files inside node modules, except for those. Okay, it's like the other way around, right? Like we'll transfer files inside here, except for this and this. So this is like, hey, don't ignore whatever is in node modules, but please transfer this. It's like the other way around. Super complicated. Okay. I don't really know if that's the reason. And then we have this, but it's super weird. Why with empty test cannot file this? I mean, where is this living? Just set up. Oh wait. Now I know. What the fuck? Why I have this? What? Oh, I know what happened. Oh man, really? Do I have... When I wanted to, to set up... What? When I was trying to fix the storyboard things, I messed up and I wrote this here. Why? Set global config. Really? Wait, and why we are not using this here? What the fuck? We are not using this here. Components? Now I saw the error. It was so obvious. Okay, so we need to remove this. And then we need to go here and go here. And remember, what was that? This is embarrassing. We don't have the information. I'm playing some arams in LOL while I'm watching your... Oh, thank you. Arams. What is arams in LOL? I mean, I'm not really familiar with LOL. So what is arams? I hope you like it, and I will read appreciating your review too. Yes, definitely. We need to support our developments. So, let me see. So first, I really need to go to the official docs, but the official docs are crap. Oh, it's the storybook 7 coming, man, and we are like, yeah, but we can check that later. Docs, storybook. What is the name? Storybook testing React, the problem. Okay, the solution. Okay, global config. This is an optional step. Yes, definitely. Okay, we know that. If you don't have global decorators, there is no need to do this. Okay, however, if you do, this is a necessary step for your global decorators to be applied. But I have global decorators. If you have global decorators parameter and you want to apply to your stories when testing them, okay, no, I don't need that. Got it. Okay, set up file. This is room before testing Jest. Okay, yeah, okay, great. For the Zero field to be picked up, you need to, okay. Got it. Okay, now we are okay, probably. This was capa 8, layer 8. Hey Chandis, how are you? Hi from Sweden. How is everything? We speak Spanish, by the way, but we are trying to practice English. It's all the people in one lane, and we kill each other. One day you will play with me. Oh, I will try, but I don't know. I'm more like a shooter person, you know. I'm more into Halo, but more into classic games like LOL and what is the other? Fall Guys. I'm into Fall Guys. We can play Fall Guys. Okay, so we are talking now because finally we have the test correct, and now this is another kind of error, and it says like test encoder is not defined. Oh man. And this is my dummy render test functionality, and I guess it's incompatible with React 18. So I definitely this change, I guess, React server, React 18 render to static markup. How to grade? Okay. The following APIs will continue working, but lead to support for suspense. Shit. So finally, what we continue rendering emails. So what is the what? Okay, in this release, we are revamping our React server APIs to fully support suspend on the server and streaming server-side rendering. As part of these changes, we are deprecating the old no streaming APIs, which does not support incremental suspend streaming on the server. So what should I do? For more detail of the changes to server rendering APIs, see the working group as upgrading on the server, and deep dive on the new suspense. Oh damn! Oh damn! Okay. But in theory, this should work, right? Damn it. I guess I need to put React 18. Yeah, it has to be the same error. If you're having this error while running the server, local this file. Add this line to the top. What? In Node.js you can solve it with util, but I need to pass the test encoder. I mean, this needs to be somehow global, and that's not going to work. JS doesn't seem to have test encoder define our global DOM. Oh, okay, maybe it's because of that. JS DOM. Okay, maybe. Define our global DOM, so you can fill it with the Node.js 1. This global test encoder requiring util. Okay, but React scripts, test, custom test m. Okay, I can like just set up the global thing, but I don't. So as I have these definitions here, I will have to do the test encoder global, I guess. Util problems? What do you mean? Oh, no. I'm also trying to improve my English. Let's focus. Okay. So shoot me on the face. Oh, perdón, así no era. Yes, that's nice that you're trying to improve your English. So what I need to do is maybe define a global test encoder. I guess that's kind of the way. I think what I can do, I can try it here to me render. I guess renders that. I guess I can do it here just for testing it. So it means I will have to do like cons. Oh, maybe import. Let's try with import. Test text encoder from util. So util is like a native module of Node. I'm not sure this is really going to work, but we can try. Global text encoder equals text encoder, right? Let's just run the test. We can run this with watch, so we can of course like check it. Okay, that didn't work, and apparently this is happening for every like dummy render thing. Damn it. damn it. Okay, I need a minute. Okay, don't leave. We'll have more cositas. Okay, give me just a minute. Hello, I'm back. I'm back with more beer. Oh, but this is still not finished. I had to do a bio break. Okay, so yeah, let's continue trying to solve the mystery. So this didn't work for some reason, maybe because I haven't saved, maybe. Nay, still it's not working. So let me, damn. Oh, what I can change, maybe that will do the trick, maybe. But no, but I don't want that because I really want to do the shit. Can I implement like multiple text environment? Test environment, yes. That's a good question. Can I like support both, like test environment? Yes. Multiple. Maybe not. Oh no, I will have to run like 2 different tests probably. It's not possible to do since yes, and the option is called projects. Right. This is kind of a monorepo config. Okay, so that's no option, I guess. Just a chop string, yes, basically. No, los viernes siempre nos tomamos las cervezas acá. Porque no tengo licor fuerte. Igual nunca he tomado licor fuerte acá en streaming, creo. Creo que no. A to run all the tests. Man, what we can do? Oh, okay, no, I was going to look for this specific error because I guess I'm really, I mean, I cannot know what is happening. So test encoder in render to static markup. Oh, what about the result? Okay, so this is webpack, but this is different, man. They're already happening in here, right? Directly into React server, browse development. So it says 10 of May. Global test encoder and test decoder are not accessible from this site template code. I'm currently using React as a template builder via render static markup. What is really scary or preocupante? How do you say preocupante? Preocupante. Worry. What is really worry, right? Preocupante. Worrying. Worry. Worrisome. Oh, that's a new word for me. Worrisome. You learn new stuff as well here in English. So what is very worrisome for me is that this is going to be deprecated in the future. But that's a problem for Guillermo from the future. Guillermo, the present, needs to enjoy life and don't worry about that future. But after updating version 18, I started complaining that reference error. That's the error that I'm having right now. So we are close to a possible solution or not. Both of them should be available as global in Node.js 12. But after some research, I have found, so this guy, Josan, already did our research. I found that when the plugin runs vn create context, blah, blah, blah. Oh, but this is another plugin, shit. The global object is being copied with global, and so only numerable properties are being passed along. Spirit behavior. Damn, this is a bug. Question, do we have global defined in this project? Here. I know we have here. Yes, global console. Oh, maybe if I do the same, but in the just setup. Can we try that? Global text encoder equal text encoder. Do we have require here? Luego como cons text encoder from no equals require util. Yes, because I guess this is running on what? Is not this running on the server, right? So let me run again the test. I need to run everything. Why is no? Ah, because it's in watch mode. Okay, so that didn't fix it. Shit. Global test encoder. It's not defined. Damn. Okay. Okay, didn't work. Okay. Okay, possible fix. Oh man, I have this plugin. It's possible to fix without forking the HTML webpack plugin. Damn it. Possible fix. Have available text decoder to the context and actually fix my original problem without breaking anything. If required in Node.js. How do I fix it as global? We are done server. Okay, do I have an alternative? JSDOM. Oh wait, maybe JSDOM. Okay, this is more close to our current setup. Just the core are add as globals in Node 11. Maybe it's possible to use it for JSDOM. There are a lot of outbows and link issues. Oh, but this is 2020. This is very old. I'm currently running a patch custom environment just to around. This is not in JSON itself, but okay, I also see that. Just like the example of Starflow, which also shows the real script command and use the command m test custom test environment. Okay, we could also try that, you know. Looks like that's what we'll have to do, because it looks familiar as the other solution. Let's start with flow. Oh man, so in utils, in test utils, we can create this folder called new file, sorry, like custom test environment, custom test environment, right? I know 100% convinced of these utils, test utils. I remember I put util test for some reason and I didn't like it, so I changed it back to test utils to be more, you know, like specific. But something happened and I don't really remember what. Match media mock. Are we using that one? Match media mock. We have to import it here. Web. No, this is interesting. We have the mock here. What are we doing with this? Are no we like reading this? Looks like we're done. Okay, so custom test environment, and it's going to have this whole thing. I'm just going to copy and paste it because it doesn't make sense. We already have this JSON, so basically what it's doing is like, okay, you want to use JSON and you want to extend this environment, and we are going to, you know, extend it and use the global test encoder and decoders. But for that, then in the jest config, we need to define another test environment. So I guess what we can do here is like create this dot, the utils, the test utils, I guess, test utils, custom test environment, right? I guess. And if I run jest again, just, yes, jest, charm test, I guess it's going to work. Probably. Or not. So it didn't work. Damn it. It looks like the custom test environment work. Oh no, wait. What am I doing? What am I doing? I'm doing everything wrong. I'm modifying the wrong. I was modifying the wrong file. What am I doing? No. That's why anything is working. So yes. Shit. Okay. Big mistake. Am I drunk? Maybe that's the problem. I'm really drunk. So again, let's try what I wanted to try before. Right? So if we go here. And this is the current one. Let's close all these files. Again, let's say global test encoder equals test encoder, right? And then we import that one. Cons text encoder from equals require util. So this is the current file. Let's run it. Does something? Looks like it's doing something. Oh, yes. Yeah, looks like it's doing something. Look like... Yes, it worked. Huh. So I wasn't that wrong. I was just drunk. What if I put this here? I don't really like... I mean, it's going to complain because requires need to be on the top of the file. Does so I didn't have to do the whole extend environment thing. So but this is like a hack. I should put a note here. Where is it? Here. Damn it. There's secondary apps. I should put this note here. I need to move it here. Yes, this is like very temporal. Okay, this is working great. Okay, perfect. So now I'm having just like tests that are not working anymore. Oh yeah. It makes sense. Because we changed. Remember, we changed a lot of stuff on React Query, so that's okay. So we just need to fix three tests. So let's fix them. Nice. So now I can close the rest of the stuff. Close other tabs. And let's move this. So far, we have a human error, the code that we have on the top of this file. And second, we have just an update, and this is going to be a problem for Guillermo of the future. So we need to be very aware of that. Yes, I mean, what I can do. Looks like my dummy render function wasn't... I have tons of documentation to read about that, right? Like that's kind of the... yeah, like here, deep dive on the new suspense. Okay, so maybe I should also write a note, because maybe Guillermo of the future is not going to remember. So Do me render needs to be updated. So this is going to be like a fix me. What to do? Maybe it's a to do, right? Needs to be updated to use the suspense. It's architecture instead of render static markup. I guess that's enough. Server-side render. Server-side render. Limited. What it means limited is like eventually it's going to die. Okay. So that's okay. Now more run the failing test. F. No failing test found. What are you talking about? Of course you have like what? What are you talking about? You have failing tests. Jess is crazy. Yeah, now here we go. Doesn't matter. So focus session footer test. So it says that focus session components focus session when the button is clicked. So if we go here, when the button is clicked, it should call unclicked session. Unclicked session. And it's not happening? Why is not happening? Unclicked session. Oh my god, that's terrific. Terrorífico? Another question. Terrorífico. Uy, qué palabra más difícil de copiar. Terrorífico. Terrorífico. Oh, terrifying. Terrifying. Okay, that's terrifying. This is working. This should be working, man. Focus session footer. Let's take a look. So there is this button called finalizar tu sesión. Nice. Finalizar tu sesión. When it's clicked, on click, right? Click it. It should call unclicked session, right? Unclicked session. Okay, great. Oh, wait. Wait. Right, I can't really. Okay. Oh, this is a thing. Right. This kind of integration test. You know that? So, oh man. I also can change this. Should I? I can change this. Okay, but let's go to the button. What is the button? So the button is receiving the unclicked thing, and the unclicked thing is being called, I guess, right? Create handler. It's called. I mean, what are you doing? Right, it's called. It's being called. Why is not being called? I mean, I already did it. What do we have run? I will have to render. Let's check the snapshot because this is weird. Yeah, check the snapshot here. Test. So as you can see here. So this is and this is my own kind of my own library. Yeah, I think so. Yes. So the button. Okay, the snapshot doesn't have any clip things. Wait. Oh, it has just a normal function. Unclicked session. What? Screen get by test. Maybe it's not like getting this. How can I? Okay, let me ask. How do I debug this? So if we go like React testing library test screen selectors screen selector and a button one. Oops, wasn't the answer. No. That wasn't. Okay, screen get by test. What if I console log this? What if I console about queries? Okay. Same answer. Get the full HTML, blah blah blah. Okay. Does it return something? Debugging, yes. Screen debug. For convenience, screen also exposes the debug method in addition. So, oh, nice. So what I can do is something like this. Screen debug, and this thing, and then see what is happening. Are you working with React Native? Chikome-san, no. This is React. We will work with React Native in the long term, eventually. We are working on the web app. Later we will work, like later is in a few months probably, we will work in the API. And then we will do the React Native application. Okay, so I don't see anything, man. I don't see anything. Maybe, oh wait, for comment screen also expose the book method in addition that the method is essentially a shortcut for, okay, maybe it's a console log. So damn, console level, I totally forgot what is like the book, but it's not the book already. Yarn test, no, I think isn't right. So notice that the default value will be error. Yes, exactly. Okay. I'm not having anything. And looks like it's kind of the same problem here, like planning footer, focus session footer, and then you have like planning footer, exactly the same thing. It's a button, I guess. Yeah, it's a button. What? Nay. Should button click it? Oh yeah, here. It's a button and it's clicked and nay. And then, okay, this is a different one. Okay, I know how to, I think I can fix this one, right? So use mutation, create, yeah, no anymore. Use mutation, show return, mutate, and later mutate. Oh, now it's the same. Shit. So how is this going to happen? Is it like calling twice? What? Yeah, this is fine. Create. No, it's you. Is mutate async. So mutate async. Right? What is the error here? Ah, it's kind of a. Oh, this is the error that. Yeah. Okay. Oh, that the error. We should like you know. Ignore this for test. How can I ignore a thing for test? It is possible. Sling rule remove in environment, in test environment. That's another thing. May I request a little help? Am I using N1 at work? When I use Node to check my n variables, it gives me about 519 variables, but other people at work have less than 30. Do you guys you guys with M1 has as many n variables? I don't know. Like currently, I don't have. I mean, I have an N1, but not right now. I mean, I'm streaming from my Intel MacBook. I don't know if that makes sense. It's like the default environment variables. Buy a PC. What do you mean like a PC? Like no a MacBook? Like a laptop, you mean? I have a laptop. Oh, I have it. I have it here. No, not there. There. That's a Windows machine as well. But I like to code in MacBook. It's better to code in MacBook. Or are you telling to Chico Me-san to buy a PC? No, for code is much better a MacBook PC, to be honest. It's really, really nice to code in a MacBook. It just works. Windows is for play games, basically. You also can code there. When I had my MacBook in the shop, because I broke my screen, I stream from the Windows machine as well, because I also have my old development environment there. But definitely it's much better code into a Unix system, to be honest. And yeah, you have that Windows for Linux subsystem is called, right? Yes, Windows for Linux subsystem, but it's not the same. Okay, so yeah, I think I can run this test again, just this one, and then I should have just 2 tests failing. And I don't know how to fix that. Oh shit, still 3. Okay. It's okay. I'm not yet with create finish. Okay, so what is the test? So create finish. Create. Oh no. I know why. Because this is like returning mutate async. So unfortunately, it's going to. Yeah, it's not going to return that. Create async. No, but it's not true. I mean, if I use mutation, right? Use mutation the first time. Oh, because it's an object. That's why. Okay, it's an object. Right. And we are taking. Oh, okay. This changed drastically. Right, it's returning an object with. Okay, but this is okay. This is cool. So mutate. That was part of the. So we migrate from React Query 2 to React Query 4. That was fun. I mean, we did it with very patient and we did it. I mean, it is working. But there were a lot of changes like this one that is not an array anymore. It's an object. That's part of the migration. Create and finish. So this can be finished, and this should fix the thing. And of course this is an object, so you need to wrap it into a parentheses, right? Parentheses. I'm missing one. ¿Cómo es paréntesis en inglés? Parentheses. I think it's like that. I'm trying to build a React Native app, but most projects fail on build errors and startup flow have been useless due to the arc difference. Yeah, I don't really know. That's yeah. Now, so the test is now working. This one was easy because of course it's kind of the issue that we have with the migration. But okay, so now we had just 2 tests failing, and at exactly the same. I mean, in the sense that they are like having this. Oh, maybe it's this. Use create rug instead until you search to the API. Your will behave if it's running React 17, but I don't want that. Create root, right? But in theory, this is like next should, you know, like fix that for me. Components, yeah. I mean, where? Console error. Right, it's complaining with the root thing. React done. Oh, maybe. Wait. Maybe are my components or is testing library? Testing library. Object error, object render, yeah, render hook. Oh, probably it's the render hook thing. No, but we don't have a hook here. So I'm aligned. I'm lying. So many errors. Look this. Looks like it's kind of happening here, right? And this is where we are having such issue. Probably the dummy render thingy. Yeah, done server, maybe. Oh man. I was so proud of my dummy render thing for do. How it's called? Shallow rendering. My own library of shallow rendering. Fedora Workstation is the best OS for developers. Opinion personal. I think I tried Fedora once. I like Linux a lot, but at the end I was working with Elementary OS just because it was nice and simple. It was based on Ubuntu and or Ubuntu Elementary OS. It's a really nice operating system. It's clean. I mean, it looks like a Mac to be honest, but it's nice. But I can't have another PC. I already have a Raspberry Pi that has Raspbian, that is all Linux, and you know it's like too many PCs. Too many. Yeah, I mean that's kind of the problem with the new architecture. Like you will have to wait until the different, you know, like libraries, plugins, software just fix it for you. You don't have that much to do. So I guess meanwhile the only thing that you can do is just wait or have a temporal Intel MacBook. I think so. However, you know what? You know who should know about this? ModeDev. Oh no, online. ModeDev is a native, you know, Swift or Android. So no. If you ask about React Native, he's going to kill you. So forget about my suggestion. Elementary es hermosa, pero el non línea de Fedora Workstation es perfecto. Me atrevo a decir que supera macOS. Okay, that are big words. Fedora Workstation. Let's take a look. Also, if I wanted to buy a laptop to use with, you know, Linux, I will buy one of these. This one, System 76. Have you seen those laptops? Are really nice. Look, this is Pro, but this is like yeah, are really nice. Lemur Pro, no idea what is this. They also have like desktop machines. Yeah, I follow them in Twitter, laptops. Let's see. Lemur Pro, Galago Pro, Lemur Pro. Which one is better? Oh, this one is more expensive. Pangolin. Oh, this is expensive. Oh, this has a Ryzen. That's crazy. Oh, what? Okay, they have like gamer laptops for Linux. What the fuck? Okay, let's say I want a Lemur Pro. What does it has? 14 hours of battery life. Remote work is bliss. Blah blah blah. Core i5, and i7. Oh, they have that. 4G dual channel. Blah blah blah. Favorite core book. Oh, they have a what? Okay. Look. Oh, it's beautiful, man. Nice. Lighter than air. Okay. Smooth coding. Yeah. Open source firmware. Okay. Open source. Yeah, I think they have a lot of the hardware is open source, so that's very interesting. Yeah, it's cool. For Linux, definitely. Fedora Workstation. Is Fedora Workstation different from Fedora? What is the difference? This is the Linux workstation you're waiting for. Okay. Created. Oh, it's created for developers. Okay. Interesting. GNOME 40. I also like GNOME. Since GNOME Shell, I love GNOME Shell. And then Ubuntu screwed up the whole node and they went back, right? If I'm not wrong, Ubuntu doesn't have that thingy anymore. That was so ugly. When they did that, I changed. I used to install the Ubuntu version that comes with the GNOME version. You know, I changed Ubuntu GNOME. I think is what's called, because I hate their graphic user interface. System 76 trae Pop OS. Entonces no pega. Pero está bien. I mean, si es para trabajar, lo que traiga y si funciona, sirve. Pop OS es Pop. Okay, so what we're doing? Oh, okay, no, I was just complaining. So no, I don't know if this is like related to the issue. It's weird. I guess, is this the only place where we are doing like this? If I remove this, I got the same errors. It's the only place where we are using like screen get by test in the web project. Oh yes, exactly. So React. Oh, that was React testing library React 18, React 18. So February 18. Okay. Oh wait. Oh wait. Start stuff here. Okay, this is closed. Why this is closed? React no longer. This is the error that I'm having, and this is because right. Okay, this is kind of the new thing, but support React 18. But don't we have the latest version of React? I agree with blah blah blah. Now I have testing React 18, but I still get rendered create warning. Is there any zero needs to change? Hi, thanks for reaching out. No, there shouldn't be any configuration done on your website grading. We will use Crear root. If you are seeing the error in the browser, that's because Crear did not still update and play Crear root instead of render. But I'm be confused. I might. Oh wait, it's because I'm using this render, right? No. They update that. What the fuck? Okay, let's go to the package, I guess, right? And if we go here into React testing, aha. Oh, testing library, testing. Yeah, they have like 13. Okay, they have it. And I'll be confused. Okay, check release notes, can see docs. To upload this change, you can use render UI legacy true, but the aware that legacy is dependent on it, it will just trigger console warnings. Okay. So who is not using React 18? Next? No, Next is definitely using it. And also I'm just getting like warnings like everywhere. It's not just like, oh wait, 2 failing. Okay, so I have 2 failing errors, or 3 probably. But yes, I'm getting like warnings as crazy. Maybe it's React hooks, because I see here like maybe it's React hooks. But why? I don't use that many. Testing library React hooks. Testing library React hooks React 18. En este video se ve la belleza de Fedora o el extension no vaya a Panamarte. Ah, ¿sabes qué? Wellner no te deja enviar. Te va a hacer VIP para que puedas enviar links. Pues no te estoy haciendo VIP exactamente por eso, sino que como bueno, pues me parece muy calidoso que hayas hecho un tema de Visual Studio Code, entonces lleve su VIP, buen señor. Ya puedes enviar links. Package to support React. O sea, lo tienes que volver a enviar porque yo veo unos punticos. O sea, está censurado, como quien dice. Okay, so React 18 has now officially been released. Okay. Yeah, yes. And what happened? Oh, this is open. Oh, shit. So this is the current of the warning messages. I think so. Did any plan to support the render hook into server-side rendering? Okay, let's read the error because something is weird. Let's use implementation. This is 2021. I don't see anything. Render hook. Okay. Well, but that's I think that's completely different from our problem. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. We can just ignore that by now because that's kind of a problem with the library itself. Yeah, like React hooks. I'm on render hook. How many am I doing? A few. Definitely a few. So I guess, yeah, that's kind of the issue there. Okay. But, man. So, okay, so, shit. Okay, so no, wait. We are just like procrastinating a lot. Yeah, we are procrastinating a lot because I tried the debug thing, it didn't work at all. So I want just to do like a console log, man. And the console log of this. I mean, what is happening there? Because it looks like it's like nothing is happening there. And I don't find any error. Like isn't like console error. Yeah, this is different. The latest, DOM, latest, just DOM. Yeah, create root. Yeah, that's just like the libraries, right? Oh, maybe it's also this one, but no. I mean, we have the latest. Okay, so do I have a console log here? I don't have any. Oh, yes. Okay, I have something here. Yeah, it's definitely an HTML element. Fiber node. Okay. Maybe this is related to the React thing. Do I have the props? Name. Oh, yes, children. Empieza ahora. Okay, class name. We have the button. Yeah, we have the button. But we don't have the props, apparently. Props. Symbol. File name, heading. We have other files here. Memorize props. Empieza ahora. Okay. Wait. In the plain footer. Yes. And click start session. Why is it not working, man? I feel it's like React testing library is like doing something wrong. React testing library, React 18, click, it's not working, maybe? Yes, this is like close. No, damn it. Render, find this ID, so when you render, but wait, this is true, like the container. So if I render this, do I have to return something? That's true. Why I don't have, like, what does it return this? Este es el video. Lo voy a poner como por aquí para verlo después. O bueno, lo podemos ver acá. Lo que pasa es que me censura el... No lo voy a ver después porque me censura el YouTube, cuando esos videos se suben a YouTube, bueno, me quitan como esa porción de audio. ¿Sabes qué voy a hacer? De hecho, lo voy a mandar al Discord. Y así después yo le pego una mirada. Okay, so I'm just going to go to the React testing library. React testing library. No, I just wrote the same. React testing library. And what I want to do is see an example of the clicking. You know, example. And I see screen. Click render. Yeah, he just rendered. He just screen, but it has this await. Why wait for a sync? Oh, maybe now it needs to be a sync. The whole thing needs to be a sync, right? Do they have like some kind of migration? Maybe. React testing library migrate to React 18. Ese Guille, hoy reconocí que un colombiano que trabaja conmigo en días es amigo tuyo del Medellín CC. ¿Cómo se llama? Oh man. Why that sample is so different? Why is a sync, by the way? Fetch fire clip, but this is not fire event. User event. Wait. Fire event click? What is the difference between fire event and user event? Fire event. Okay. User event. We'll discuss a couple of simple adjustments to test. Will increase your confidence in the interactive behavior of your components. For other interaction, you might want either consider user event or testing your component in real environment. Manual automatic Cypress. So, what is the difference? Your test is resemble how users interact with your code as much as possible. With this in mind, you should know that fire event is not exactly how the user interacts with your application, but it's close enough for most scenarios. I mean, maybe this. I just want to try. Oh, really? Fire event, and of course, I guess this is going to be fire event, right? Let's just try it. John Agudelo, me suena, pero no lo recuerdo. Me suena. Pero no es joven, él tiene bastante edad, ¿no? Cannot find fire event. Okay. It has changed as well. Wait, change it. So, for some reason, now this is like this. And I don't know why they have it like this. Testing library React. Testing library React. Fire event screen. White. So, fire event. Sí. Y ya no necesito esto. I don't need this anymore. Sí, ya es grande. Okay, so maybe I remember him. Maybe. But I'm not sure. I think we need to change music, man. We need like some heavy music to try to solve this mystery. Oh, wait. Wait. I have a typo. Corrender. Of course, corrender is not do anything. I guess it's time to do the watch. Because I just like running again and again. I don't understand. Oh, what? Oh no, I know why I can't do the watch, because when I run watch, for some reason it doesn't run all the tests, even if I specify run all the tests. And worst case scenario, we just skip those tests by now. Oh, it works. Wait, what, do I have one? Oh, maybe let me try something. Fire event, and if that works, I can try again with the. I'm guessing. I mean, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm guessing. I mean, what I did was I went to the documentation and I noticed, hey, they have fire event instead of user event, but for some reason, user event. We recommend booking user event setup before the component is rendered. Oh, okay. That might be. This is like more user event looks like. Oh, okay. I guess I. API user event click, which will trigger setup internally, is still supported. Ah, but they are going to change that. Okay. Okay, and they have a wait. This is what it was kind of crazy for me. Like, looks like now everything is async, but I'm not going to change that yet. Okay, so tests are passing. Finally. Jar commit. That's good news. Oh, wait, linter. Because it's not going to. I mean, we can like come test. Change user event to fire event. Okay. Not verified. It's because I have issues with the linter. So now I'm just going to run lint. Do you know how to import a library that use Windows something on Next.js, or is it breaks? Oof. Imported. I don't really know if you can like patch that. Maybe you can like override the globals, but I don't know if that's a good practice. You will have, maybe the only option is you fork the library and you remove the line of code. No, I don't. It depends. Oh well, wait. What you can do is like only execute the library when it's mounted. If the component is mounted, you can execute whatever library use window. If that works for you. So what you have to do is basically, you have a component and you need to create a hook. So you can do this, like you create like a use effect, and then you do this kind of, you can create like this, you have the component, right? And you create like a state, like my library set library, and let's say use a state, it's going to be null, right? So what you can do here, you can do a synchronous or a dynamic import. I don't really remember what is the syntax, but I think it's something like this: require and unique webpack for this, if I'm not wrong. So my, like my library with Windows, and then you do that then, and he will recognize, oh, this is synchronous. And then I don't know if this has like the default or this is like module, right? And then this is the library. So here you can use like set library module. So it's something like this, right? And then you can use later like library, whatever. That's kind of the idea. Because I guess you need the library in other contexts. right? So you need like to somehow take it out from here. So this will ensure that you run the library when the component is mounted, so it's not going to run on the server, it's going to run on the client. That's what you can do. You got it, Javier? Hey Chris, how are you? So we have 31 problems, but this is a thing that is no. Okay, let me get it here. So align literal to a variable before exporting a default. Assign literal to a variable before. Oh, okay. So it should be like this. Oh, okay. So cons URL, I guess. That is SPG rel. This is a good practice. SPG rel. Okay. If that makes sense. Erase forbidden. Okay. But that was a warning. But okay, but what's a weird warning, to be honest, to be fair. Okay, I want the problems. Yeah, those are the problems. Like React. So, okay. So roller hooks inside test. Maybe someone has that problem. Or maybe what is the configuration of this? Sling. Shit. Sling. Yeah. Yes, this one. Custom configuration. Error warm. Okay. Additional hooks. My other custom hook. What else? That's it? Oh, this is a officially React repository. Shit. I mean, this is officially React plugin. I know there are two ways to fix this. I mean, somehow we let know the plugin that whatever is inside test, it shouldn't, like, you know, yell. Or we just put it as a warning and we'd ignore it. Oh, Chris, I'm so sorry. Yeah, it sucks to be sick. No, I wonder if this needs to be like that. I guess it doesn't really need to be like that. It can be like this, right? Shouldn't be any problem. We are mocking that. Oh man, I'm so sorry. What if I run the test again? Maybe something changing? Probably not. The snapshots, maybe? No, nothing changed. Or what we can do is just ignore this rule in the file, like, you know, that you can. That's a temporary fix in the test files. I guess that's going to be like the you know, the best option. Sling, how is it? Sling disable this, right? I always forget that. Sling disable. Sling disable rule. Disable. Sling disable. But oh, okay. I think it needs to be like written like this. Sling disable. Like this. Yeah. So I guess this is, I mean, this is like really a silly thing. I mean, this is just like a test. I know it's breaking the rules of hooks, but it's a test. So it's a controlled environment. So we shouldn't have any problem running those on test. Let's run it again. Man, we are ready with this basically. Here's the test. Oh, but not the test, the linter is the problem. Man, the error. And this error is kind of annoying, to be honest, but it's like we're testing every hooks. I mean, that's what they say. Or maybe, oh, okay, so 20 problems, no errors, perfect. Okay, great. So we can like commit this, as we should commit. You know, like sure. I don't know. This is a sure. Linting. Fix. Linting errors. Okay. Okay, so this is going to run the linting, the whole thing. It's going to commit. Perfect, perfect. This is okay. Let's check what tasks did we miss. I have a pull request already open, right? Yeah, I remember here. I remember that I have something. Yarn test. This was using React 17. If I'm not wrong, probably for some reason. Oh no. It was using because they have a custom bubble config. Yeah, that was another problem. Yeah. Sorry, it's not related. Wait, what is this? Oh, it's stash. I don't need that. Great. Oh shit, I moved this. Okay, so the tests are working. So what? Oh, this is another issue that we need to figure out. The rehydration is happening. So okay, we are done with this task. We are done with the test. Do we have here? Okay, no. Oh, this in the project, but this is already right, probably. Let me see. Retrospective. Here I can enable this one, probably not. Score, maybe not. Did I disable? Oh shit, did I commit the component totally disabled? Maybe. No. Score. What is it? Molecules? No, in fact it's here. So I guess it's working. Retrospective. Oh yes, it's working. Oh, nice. Nice. Great. It works with the test, maybe. Oh, so that task is already also done. What a trip, man. What a trip to, you know, upgrade the whole thing. Yeah, this is like working. Great. I like that song. Okay, so. Oh yeah, this is what we want maybe to fix, but yeah, let's go here. So if I go to the task, I can mark also this error. I know I need to fix it, but it's not going to be. So I also need to mark this one. Enables RBG the project, gray, no rest because we don't rest here. So this is okay now that I have this. Hey, wait, why didn't move to the? This should be complete. What the fuck? Complete. Okay, some bug. Okay, so now this is just like tasks that we need to, you know, create. Probably this is a good one for start, you know, next week. Hey, update. Yeah. And then this is weird. Okay, this should be in pause, right? Pause. Maybe it's the rehydration, rehydration, I guess is pronounced. So yeah, I mean, we definitely should do this. We definitely should do this. Maybe no, the modal is faster, and then this and this. Great. What other tasks we should do? Like enable. As well is WC in next we ingest. I think it's like that. Like if we enable, we see next just bubble. So next SWZ. I think this is a quick fix because it's like you just need to add this to bubble config, right? And that's it. Then you release an next bubble preset without needing the bubble file. Yeah, I guess that's very easy to do. And let's do that because I want to use the new transpiler, right? So if I can remove my bubble file. So the only reason we have this bubble config file is because Jess needs to know how to do the transformation. And Jess is able to take that, but Next doesn't use bubble anymore. So what we can do is that we can go directly into just config and in transform. We have transform here, maybe not. It's okay. So we can create like this transform option, transform. I guess this is the kind of the default setting. Like everything that finish on this, right? And we don't really support like TS. TypeScript, so to be honest, like I will remove that part. I mean, also we can do something like, oh, that's more interesting, I guess. Why have this like that? Just in case it's TS, maybe. I guess this one is nicer. Right, and this should work. And then in theory, what I can do now is like start next again, and he's going to enable SWC. Yeah, look. Now it's decent. Not that many errors. We have so many errors before. What? Wait. I spoke too early. What did I say? Oh man. Okay, what is happening? No modules. What? Oh, okay, something's happening. Dependencies. Okay, no idea. Okay, let's see. Oh, no. Oh, yes. It's good. Okay, that's okay. So I don't know how to do that task anymore. I guess this is okay. So what should we do next? Because I don't feel I want to like do this task. It's not like a Friday task. We should try the team, the VS Code team maybe. We definitely should do like commit here. Like journal commit. By the way, dev. Yeah, that's like a good option. We should test this regis, right? Do I have this in the other just config file? exactly the same. No, just config. Do I have the same kind of regex? Oh, no, this one. Double jest. Oh, look, we already have this similar thing. Right, we only need to transfer JSX, right? I guess. So we can go here. No, here. Yeah, I prefer keep things simple. Okay. So yeah, we can commit this. Journ commit. This is like a build. Change build. External dependency. Example build broccoli. Yeah. SW. Remove Babel file in order to use SWC. And I want to check the repo. I wanted to check it, but something happened. Okay, pull request. Something is. Oh, I have two pull requests. What? We're in progress. Oh, okay. We'll have like the same. This one we can close this one because close. I mean, I already have the changes here. So this is like upgrade dependencies, like feature, not sure, dependencies, upgrade dependencies. Yeah. We also did, yeah, we basically did that and fixed a lot of stuff. Oh, well, also with some features, but it's okay. And what is kind of what is happening with them? I still have one beer, so I should finish this. Fondo blanco, como dicen. Nah, no, it's fine. I can finish myself. What are the checks? Let me see the checks. Of course, we just commit, so we have a new, we have a new process like going. It's just lean and coverage. Our coverage sucks, right? I remember that test coverage. We weren't that like, yeah, it sucks. I think one of the next things that we want to do, fix, yeah, I know what, fix me. Oh, damn it. I ruined the coverage, of course. It's not going to work with the server. So one of the things that we need to do next is to, no, I mean, not today, but we need to fix that rehydration problem. And then we want to work on the integration. And we need to take a decision. If we want to continue using Test Cafe or Playwright. We need to really do the research, the proper research, check what are the advantages and disadvantages. And probably this is going to be something for the next week. And so journ D, and let's write those two tasks that we need to do. So first, like fix me, fix the rehydration problem. That's like a really, really important one. Like first on the top. Yeah, like really, we need to fix that. And then write multiple integration test. Decide if we want to use Test Cafe or Playwright. I don't know how it's written, but I'm just going to write it like that. Yeah, those are kind of the next things that I want to do. We can finish this session. Yeah. And then, yes. So what is happening with the... Okay, so everything is fine except the coverage. The coverage sucks. We know that we need to fix that coverage. I know it's a task that I need to do. There are like some components that like this one. Oh, but this one are kind of hard to, you know, to test. Playwright. In my company, we are discussing we use Playwright or Cypress. Because we currently using Catalan and is no idea what is Catalan, but Playwright is not a service, right? So of course Cypress it might be easier and solves other problems for you, like have like the environment and everything, right? I know that Cypress has is free for open source projects, so maybe we can no, we want to set up a proper environment, and that's going to be interesting. Eventually we will have to write this in Docker containers. Eventually, I think it's out of the scope of the courses, but eventually we want to maybe, you know, just migrate everything to Kubernetes. Probably because right now we have the advantage that this app can be released into Next. Well, yeah, we can do that because the API, this thing should work on Next so far. We don't have a custom server. Yeah, but the API, I don't know where to release the API. Maybe can I use Fly.io? You know, deploy apps servers close to yours. Let's try it for free. Give me the pricing. Next, no remix. Oh no. This is not for backend. Do we have a free serverless service? No, but serverless, no. We have to change our code. Where can I, maybe Heroku, can I deploy a Fastify API free? Why not? It doesn't say anything. I guess it will be Heroku is the only place. Where can I deploy Node.js apps for free? No, I think it's going to be Heroku. Free and pay? Okay, let's read it. Do you want to search it? I can search it. I mean, Catalan. JS, maybe? What is Catalan? JavaScript executor in Catalan. Oh, okay. JavaScript in Catalan Studio. Catalan Studio. All-in-one test automation platform. Oh, interesting. Okay. So desktop API get started in a time scale with no limit. But Catalan. Oh, so you want to move away of Catalan? Don't you like it? Or it's very expensive? I guess it's another service, right? Pricey. My God, Studio is free. Oh, okay. Oh, it costs money, but I think Cypress is also quite expensive, right? Web testing, API testing, model testing. Ah, start for free. What does that mean? But they don't say anything, right? Ah, also they have visual testing. Ah, but this is new. Okay. Test generation, interesting. Yeah, but I think we don't want to use a service because that's the idea of streaming, right? If you, for some reason, of course, if you are doing an MVP or you have money, you just pay Cypress or whatever service you want. But in this, it's insane in low. Oh, it's low. Okay. But for purpose of the streaming and for learning, we want to know how to create custom implementations of end-to-end testing. Okay, I see. So what do you want to Google this? I mean, what do you want me to check this if this sucks? Okay, Heroku, but Vercel is not for Node.js apps. That's a lie. The problem with Heroku is they freeze, but I guess it's fine. We can do something. We can create a Chrome job free. Chrome job RRG. Chroneless, free cron job and monitoring tools. Okay. Oh, but this looks so ugly. Oh, we also can use like uptime robot. So I guess we can do this trick. So you know Heroku machines just go to sleep, the free ones, unless you hit it. So what we can do is with uptime robot hit our Heroku API multiple times, like every minute, I don't know, something like that, so it keeps the machine running. But I don't know if that's possible. Heroku free plan keeps machine running. Limits. I guess they have some kind of limit uptime, right? What it says? Doesn't say anything. Docs. Limits. Oh, okay. Uptime. Nah, pricing. Okay, pricing. Is it going to be Heroku idling? What it says? Oh, okay, there is something. The interesting, however, how we plan that costs what? But that's possible. You can install the free Neurally add-on that is, and it has an availability monitor feature that will ping your site twice per minute than printing it for idling. More or less in solution as yes, but maybe more integrated to Heroku. And with okay. Oh, this is a nice hack because you can use this add-on into Heroku and it's free. How much increase the Dino users by? I just created this fairly recent. It does still work excellently just in case, so I made sure to add simple the query. Okay. Okay. Just so you know account. Okay. Caffeine Heroku app made by me is made for preventing Heroku apps to go to sleep. I will ping your app every 10 minutes so your app won't go to sleep. It's completely free. Okay. What? Oh, nice. Read more. Nice. Caffeine Heroku. What happened? Oh, but something happened. This is 2013. Okay. That's what that we wanted, like a cron job, right? Update. This is way possible more. Heroku will change their... Okay, but that's not true. Creepy like for full 24 hours. When it's going to be live, according to the laws, application running a single unit that don't accumulate any other Dino change will migrate to the new free Dinos. Okay, so free as in beer Dinos. So, but they still have free Dinos, right? Dinos, free. 1000 Dinos hours per month. Oh, so they are limited. Okay, but this is better than nothing, at least for testing this and to have it there living. What we need to do maybe is create a front end that is able to wait until the Dino is on, or put some kind of nice message to it. But yeah, okay, let's do something. If you want, we can chat for 10 minutes. Do you just like reach the 3 hours to streaming? So I'm just going to change this to just chatting because I think this is enough code for today. If no, that's okay. Maybe we just like change this. Ask me anything because of ask me anything. I don't know. I also can tell you just talk. I mean, I like to talk. So later after the streaming, because it's late already. It's like 11 7 past 11. I guess that's the proper way to say it. So what am I going to do? I might going to eat something. We had chicken. So yeah, probably going to eat something and then maybe search for a movie to watch. Oh, but wait, no. I mean, maybe it's too late. I should read a lot. I really want to start reading this book, but I haven't like really start yet. It's a really good recommended book. We also can, by the way, we also should like think about a raid. Who is there? Are software developments like working on Friday? So we have Vero La Fox, we have Yuka with data, we have Coding Garden, but yeah, that guy is like super famous. Call programming. What the fuck is call programming? About call programming, I don't know. Oh, he's designing like a database. And Vero La Fox, she's super short stream today. Oh, super short stream today, and she's been for 3 hours already. That's short, really? And Yuka with data. Maybe Yuka with data. She has been just for 1 hour. She's doing co-working. And she's doing some R, Python, SQL, science, programming. Vibe. You can support her. Yeah. But I think maybe Vero La Fox is doing something more related to us. So yeah, I really want to read this book, Atomic Habits. Maybe should I change this camera? Yeah, I think this camera is better. Have you seen it? I definitely need to do better habits. In fact, tomorrow I want to, walk or jog a little bit. I need to start doing exercise, and I'm going to start doing exercise. So I'm going to be more massive and beautiful than before. So I really like that it starts with the definition of what is atomic and what is habit. So it says atomic, an extremely small amount of a thing, the single irreducible. How do you pronounce that? First time that I saw that, that word. Oh, but wait, if we are going to read a little bit, we should, change the music. This is not music for reading, right? You will be crazy. Irreducible. Irreducible. Okay, it's more like kind of the accent. Irreducible unit of a larger system. Larger or larger? I guess it's larger. Great opportunity to larger. Yes, larger system. The source of immense energy or power. Habit. A routine or practice performed regularly. Oh, that's like another one. Regularly. That's kind of the regularly, the funny English. An automated response to a specific situation. So we start with the fundamentals, then the first law, make it obvious. So the fundamentals are why tiny changes make a big difference. Yeah, it makes sense. It's kind of our philosophy here, right? That we do like baby steps. And eventually after, 2 years streaming, we have a nice project and we have learned a lot of stuff. And then you have the first law, make it obvious. There are like 4 laws. So make it obvious, make it attractive, make it easy, make it satisfying. Okay, and then you have advanced tactics, how to go from being merely good to being truly great. Oh man, that's really nice. And then we have the conclusion and appendix. And it's not that much. I mean, it looks like... Oh, I am so curious to read that. Nice. Atomic habits, an easy and proven way to build good habits and break bad ones. Introduction. Before I used to avoid introductions, but But now I really like to you read the introduction, because usually in the introduction the author will tell you the reason why he wrote the book, why this is important, what is kind of the process behind the book, and it's important, you know, have that kind of context. Before I just skip that part, that part of the movie. So, do you think the books is a good way to practice English? Definitely, they help a lot, specifically because you have more time, and if you start reading out loud, it also helps because you realize, let's read this first paragraph, for instance. So what I usually try to do is like try to read out loud en voz alta, so then I can like check my pronunciation, and also I usually don't search words or translate words. I just continue. But if I am curious about how, I mean, if I find a word very, very strange or it's very technical, I definitely will look for the meaning or the pronunciation, right? So let's first this first paragraph. So on the final day of my sophomore year of high school, I was hit in the face with a baseball bat. Oh shit, that's what? As my classmate took a full swing, the bat slipped out of his hands and came flying toward me before striking me directly between the eyes. I have no memory of the moment of impact. Of course, he just hit you on the face with a baseball bat. What do you think what is going to happen? You are going to just desmayarte. How you say desmayarte? Yeah, I forgot, but it's okay. That was the first paragraph. That was so short. So the bat smashed into my face with such force that it crushed my nose into a distorted U shape. The collision sent the soft tissue of my brain slamming into the inside of my skull. Immediately, a wave of swelling surged through my head. I don't get that. Oh, like swelling. Oh, right. Swelling. Cuando te hinchas. Una ola de hinchazón. Se fue por la... ¿Cierto? Pasó por la cabeza. In a fraction of a second, I have a broken nose, multiple skull fractures, and 2 shattered eye sockets. When I opened my eyes, I saw people staring at me and running over to help. I looked down and noticed a spot of red on my clothes. One of my classmates took the shirt off his back and handed it to me. I used it to plug my stream of blood rushing from my broken nose. Shocked and confused, I was unaware of how serious I had been injured. Man, that's crazy. Interesting. And why I am curious about why is this related with the book? This is nice. Well, it was a pleasure, the session of today. Remember, we are from Tuesday to Fridays. Similar time, 7 p.m., 8, 7 to 8. I still deciding if I'm going to start at 7 or I'm going to start at 8 p.m. in my, current time zone. So next week, let's see if I'm going to be able to find a speaker for the next Friday, because the next Friday I'm inviting a speaker that will teach me something, and that's going to be in Spanish because of course it's kind of an interview, a talk, right? So I'm not sure. I have been speaking with a few friends that will come here, so I will learn new stuff. But we will continue with this project. We are so close to finish the front end, and hopefully if everything goes okay this weekend, I will have the first module release on YouTube of the course that I'm creating in English, so you will see that, and also a video. I mean, this weekend is going to be very ambitious. Is ambitious a word in English? I guess. Yeah, I guess that's it. Thank you so much to be here. Have a nice weekend, and say hi to Vero from my part. Bye bye. Hey, Bill, I'm in the mood for a switch up.